I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drift Lexus GS350 only way. Start by checking tire pressure and brake balance before attempting any slide. Choose a safe, legal location and warm the tires with light laps first. Set steering, throttle, and clutch timing for smooth entries. Practice weight transfer and left foot braking to initiate controlled oversteer. Focus on small corrections, steady throttle, and calm countersteer. Build speed and confidence gradually. Before every run, adjust suspension and tire selection for controlled slides. Lower rear sway slightly and soften rear dampers to promote rotation. Use wider rear tires if legal, but avoid excessive grip imbalance. Set steering angle kit or quick ratio steering if available. Check differential for limited slip behavior and service fluids. Secure seats, harnesses, and roll structure as needed. Walk the course and visualize each drift entry and exit calmly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up these leak-proof meal prep containers for easy food storage and cleaner track days. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time between runs. Check the description for the link and other deals I found. Small things like better meal prep keep you focused behind the wheel and on budget. Now let's get back to the video. Initiate a drift with a clutch kick or feint tailored to the GS350 weight distribution. Approach the corner a touch faster than normal and shift weight rearward before the turn. Use a firm clutch pulse or brief handbrake input to brake rear traction safely. Immediately apply steady throttle and countersteer to control angle, then modulate throttle to maintain drift length. Keep eyes on the drift line and breathe steadily to stay relaxed and precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.